for the other video. We're doing a VHT nightshade, tinting the rear tail lights, making them red. It's gonna look real nice. And let's get to it. Obviously 4 screws for your tail lights. Pretty easy to come off. Sometimes you just gotta really pull on them for them to come out. But I'm gonna go ahead and take them off and bring them into my shop. All right, went ahead and used this Rain X glass cleaner. Cleaned them off. Used a new wipe for every single one. That way. Oh yeah, I'm sorry guys. It's Modelo time, guys. But got them in every corner here, and gonna go ahead and just apply some paint. Probably like 3 layers. I like them nice and dark. It's gonna make it look real good.
It's Modelo time.
First coat, nice and light. All 4 of them, just to sink in the redness and see where we're at with one coat, one light coat. And then we're gonna hit it heavy with about 2 or 3 more coats. And basically just until this white here is pretty much gone. But we'll see how we go. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. Make sure you do wait 15 minutes before going into another coat. That way it's like fully dry, you know. This one here, as I said, that white has to go away. Probably do 1 more coat on this one, make it a little bit darker. Lighting is crap in here, so we'll see. This one probably gonna need about 2 more coats. And these bigger ones, obviously don't cover much with the bigger ones, even though it's a small tail light. Probably do 2 more coats on both and move on from there. All right, it's been about 8 minutes or so since the last coat. Camera does not do justice, let me tell you guys, because they look really good. Even with the red housing, I've done it before on the black housing, and the red housing is looking pretty good, so it is possible to make them all look good, you know what I'm saying? I'll see if I drop in a picture of the tail lights that I had before on the Evo and the Lancer, I believe, of how I did them previously with the black housing, but this is with the red housing. I don't know how it would look. Obviously it's going to be more darker if you have a red background and you're painting it red, but I'll drop in that picture and, you know, go through memory lane with my Evo. So originally I had painted these red with the VHT red tint. I painted them, did like 3 or 4 layers, and I didn't include a clear coat, but maybe I'll do a different video one day of how I did this. All right, went ahead and did 1 more coat. I lost count already. I think we're at 3 coats. I'm gonna go with 4 more, 1 more coat, but 4 total, and make it really dark. Again, I found this idea off of Google way back in the day, and I thought it looked really good on white. So we're gonna go ahead and do 1 more coat, make it a little bit darker, because it's gonna really pop out with that white. I'll show you the final result. I'm gonna add that 1 more coat, put them on the car, wait about an hour so that they really dry off, and I'll show you guys the final result. Pretty successful weekend this weekend. Managed to do 2 mods in 1 weekend, and actually 1 day. Really happy with how it's turning out. The rear tail lights look really good. Through camera it really doesn't do justice, but oh man, in person, once you put them on and the white just really helps that red stick out on the lights. Really happy how it's turning out. As far as exterior mods, those are one of the last little ones that I wanted to do. Our side skirts are left. The roof wrap is gonna be definitely on the list. Hopefully get that done next video, if not sometime after that. As far as anything else, paint the hood is definitely priority within the next month. That way the whole car is at least white, and I see what modifications we need to do. We need to clean up that front lip. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching the videos. I'm only at like 100 views with each video and whatnot, but hey, something. You have to start somewhere with anything that you do. Eventually you'll progress, but I'm gonna keep on trying to upload the ralliart build and a couple more specs that we need to do for the outside, and we're gonna move into the inside, which is gonna be, again, complete ralliart transformation. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, share. Thank you guys so much for the support.